Ouch.
Hello everyone, I'm Shahad. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I will be doing something very simple. Everybody has been asking me to do this for a while, so I sat down. I went to this beautiful lady, ALANA. She has beautiful looks. She also has colorful rainbowy looks. She has, you know, she's very talented. I love her looks, but I wanted to create something less colorful because everybody has been asking me to do so with neutral looks and stuff like that. So I will be following her look, creating this one right here. So first things first, I'm gonna prep this face. I just washed this face as usual. I'm gonna go in with, and as you know, I always set my face as a base, MAC Fix Plus. I spray it on as a base. This is what I prefer. You do you. Now I'm gonna put on the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, and I am in the shade Warm Beige, and I'm just gonna apply that and I'll come back. So right now, this is pretty much my current favorite foundation. It has like the most coverage. I like it. I do sometimes tend to like use Dior Backstage foundation. It doesn't have as much coverage as this one. So if you want like a full coverage foundation, this I would definitely recommend it.
You stay out of my money.
Okay, now that we're done with the foundation, I'm gonna pop on concealer. And as some of you have seen my last video, I reviewed the Fenty Beauty U Concealer. It is wow. I stayed out in the beach at night for 3 hours, dinner with my family, and it did not crease. It didn't do anything. It did not move. And the coverage is so beautiful. It is buildable though. I don't want to put it on my lids because I'm gonna use my Hellloooo base, but you can use that as base. And if you don't use base for any eyeshadow, that's fine. But for me, I have been using that non-stop. Okay, so for a little bit of contour, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild dual-ended contour stick. I'm just gonna use the bronzer side before we set the face. And as for the contour, you don't always have to go with the darkest shade. It does not have to be the darkest or the thickest. A little bit, and then you can blend it out. Let me blend that out. I'm gonna blend that out with the beauty sponge right here. We don't need to put too much because on top I'm gonna use a bronzer contour. Okay, now I am gonna set my face with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Loose Powder in the shade Butter. And if you want to set your face, you can use whatever you prefer, but I prefer this Wet n Wild. This is actually like a foundation brush, but I love it for setting the face. I think it just stay put. This is what I like. And this is the Wet n Wild P55 brush. First, let me do under the eye. I haven't actually tried this concealer with this foundation, but it blended so beautifully and it just beautiful. Now for bronze, I'm gonna use my Hoola Benefit bronzer. I'm gonna tap that, and I like to go upwards like that. It makes your face feel, you know, a little bit lifted. Now to warm the face up, a little bit of bronzer everywhere, right here. Now with my beauty sponge, I'm gonna dip in the loose powder and just do a little bit of that to bake under our contour to make our face more contoured perfectly, and onto the bridge of the nose. Okay, now I'm just gonna, off camera, I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm gonna do one eye, and I'm gonna come back to show you what I did, and we can go through that step by step. So see you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm back. I did my, well, I did this eye, and now I'm gonna show you how I created this look. Now I have already finished this look with the mascara and the lashes. Now I'm just gonna go on with this eye. I'm gonna show you what I did. Okay, and still bake is going on. I just want to say that she used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I tried, and this is what came out. I like it. I know you guys will like it because you have not been enjoying my rainbow looks. That's okay. Now first I'm going in with my Hellloooo base. This is in the shade Rumor 2. I'm gonna pop that all over the lid, and my eyebrows are already done. I used my usual Benefit Brow Contour Pro and the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Okay, now that we're done with the base, I'm gonna go in with the palette. Now for this shade, she didn't list what shade she used, so I'm just gonna use the ones that are kind of similar to the photo that I saw. So basically she actually kind of like used just 1 or 2 shades, which makes it more simple. So if you don't have this palette, that's fine as long as you have the these kind of shades, and it's kind of like a halo eye look. First, I'm going in with like a big fluffy soft blending brush, and I am gonna go in with the shade Sienna and start from here. She brings it up all the way to her brow bone. Tap the shade slightly and then we'll blend it in, because as always, the P. Louise base, you don't set it. Now I'm blending it in, just very light-handedly, bringing it also here. And for this gap here, flat brush, I'm sorry, it's kind of not clean. First shade off the palette, and I'm just gonna pop it right here. And then continue to blend with the same shade. And now I'm going with this type of brush, and I'm gonna dip in the last shade, which is Noir, and I'm gonna pop it right over the crease. Go with my lid, and I'm just gonna tap on and then blend it, because we're gonna do like half a cut crease, because it's like a halo kind of look. Clean this brush, the one that you used, using the shade, just to clean out the edges and make sure they're not like harsh lines. And bring it inwards, same shade. I'm also going to use this brush again just to make this black shade more precise. And now I'm taking this kind of like a blending brush, but it's like a little bit more flatter. And I'm gonna dip in again in this shade Sienna, just a little bit, and just blend everything out in the top so everything can be together. And I'm gonna bring the shade Sienna right onto here. Okay, now for the half cut crease, which I did here, I'm gonna dip in my other P. Louise base in the shade 0, and I'm just gonna mainly focus on the middle part, because it's like a halo-y cut crease. And again, I'm gonna dip in this flat brush, small brush, and I am going to dab it on here. It's already gonna stick to the base, so. Okay, now with that we're done, I am just gonna inwards, push that shade right in. Sharpen the edges of the black shade so that we don't have like a patchy look or shade. And with that same small brush, I'm gonna dip in the dark shade Noir, fit right under the lash line. And under the black shade, and again I'm going with the shade Sienna. And I'm blending everything out, as well as spreading this shade. Okay, so for the waterline, I'm gonna use a black liner, and I'm gonna put on lashes, do that, and come back so we can do the rest of the face. Okay, and I am back, and I still have my bake on, so I'm just gonna just wipe it away, just like that. And also I just popped on lashes, and I for the waterline I used just a black liner. Okay, so now what is left to do is I'm gonna put on blush, and I'm gonna use my e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm gonna dip in these two shades right here. excuse the hair. I really do not have any time to do my hair, so I'm just gonna, since the whole, like, nearly the eyes and everything is kind of like Anastasia, I'm gonna use the Ombre Z Anastasia highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter out of all the Anastasias, to be honest. Moving on to lips, I am going to line my lips with the lower lip liner. I'm gonna go with the Anastasia matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Kiss. I love this combo. It just gives my lips, like, makes them more puffy. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a simple, easy, kind of like a neutral shades kind of a look. I know you guys have been like wanting these looks, so just followed my beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous Elena, and I hope I did her justice. So please hop onto her account, tell her Shahad says hi, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I just wanted to make some things clear, because some of you are always coming in and just complaining about the editing and how I speak and what I do. I will not change anything. Nothing is going to change. This is my style. This is what I like to do. This is how I like to play with my videos and make jokes. If you don't find them funny, then just don't watch it. That is all I ask for. I don't like the negativity, because at the end of the day, I am a person. I have feelings. I sometimes do get hurt, and sometimes I just want to rip off my face. So please consider being nicer and be kind to one another. And please, please, please go subscribe and also follow Elena on all her social media platforms. I'm gonna link all her stuff down below. Go tell her I said hi, and I hope I did her justice, because she is so beautiful and so talented. And to be honest, I wanted to create one of her looks, other looks, but this was so hard for me. I couldn't do it. I tried it 3 times and I failed. And this is how much of a talented makeup artist she is. And yeah, that is it, Elena. You are so gorgeous, and I love what you do. Keep on doing you, girl. And I hope I did it justice. I hope you watch this video and tell me what you think. And for you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button, so anytime I upload, you get that notification and watch my videos. That is pretty much it. I will be uploading every Monday and Wednesday. As for the time, I'm still not, still don't know, because I'm still in the middle of a lot of stuff right now. So I just have to figure that out. As for the days, that is and will be the days only. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you. I hope that everything will be and is great for everyone. Hoping nothing but the best. That is what I have to say. I don't know. I'm okay. Sorry. Okay. Bye. Bye.